Hello, Mr. Trask from BSAT Abu Dhabi. I'm here to demonstrate the charting functions of Excel. I'm going to be using a worksheet that I referred to in a previous video, which was looking at both the average function, which you can see here, and also an if function, which you can see here. For brevity, I'm going to basically use the same worksheets. So, this is a basic introduction to charting. Let's keep it basic. Let's take a look. If I go and select as you can see, I've got students here, test scores here, and average and a pass or fail. So I'm going to select the cell from B2, the range from B2 to E7. So I've got a nice little block of data here. I'm not particularly interested in the average right now. I just want to see how the children are performing against each other in the tests in a nice visual, charty kind of graphical way. So I'm going to highlight this data. Now I could click on recommended charts, and Excel 13's got a nice number of charts that it recommends that you might want to use. It's kind of semi-intelligent, so it will recommend clustered bar charts, it'll recommend clustered column charts. I'm not going to do that though. What I'm going to do is actually choose one that most people like to go for, which is a standard bar chart, column chart. And if I click on the column chart, most people like to go for 3D column. So I'm going to click on this, and we have a chart. Now if I move this over so we can see the data at the very least alongside the chart, fairly obvious. You can see that we've got the results of Abdul, Bianca, Charlie, Dara and Isa. You've also got the color-coded legend there from test 1, 2 and 3. You've got the range of where they go up to, which is a marks out of 100, and the place that's aching for you to write the correct chart title, which might be student test performance. You can also, if you click on the chart itself, you have a little plus icon here. You can add in extra elements. Most typically you'd add in titles on the axes. You can see if I tick this and untick it, it toggles on and off, so I can put in a nice title there. You also might want to put some data labels in there to give the exact figures. For me that's a little messy, so I wouldn't do that, but you have that as an option. You can turn the grid lines on and off. You can have the legend on or off as well. It's up to you where you want it. You can choose to select different places to put it. The next thing I will show you is that if this data changes, then of course this chart is dynamic, the chart changes too. So if Dara suddenly has a nightmare in her first test and she has 19 out of 100, you'll see this, this blue line will plummet, goes all the way down. So I change the chart title. I'm going to change this to something like test marks, and similarly this one will be students. It's a nice easy way to generate visual data, and that's how you do a chart in Excel 2013. Thank you.